Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Sanjay. Today we will install the MySQL in Windows 10. As in my previous video, I already uh, given instruction to install the IntelliJ. So I'm creating this video to support that video to install the MySQL in the Windows 10. First, open the Google, search MySQL download. Okay, it will open this MySQL download website. Simply click on this download. Okay, this page will open, download page is open, go down, and here we have a MySQL community GPL download. Click on this and you can see we have a multiple here, so we just keep MySQL installer for Windows, and here we are using this version 8.0.36 Microsoft Windows. We will choose this, click on this and download. It will take some time, so I already downloaded it, so we will install from there. Here you can see I already installed it. Double click. Okay, so now it is opening. Preparing to install. We have to wait for some time. Yes, so it's asking a permission from firewall. We will make it yes. Now it is installing here the software. So it is very easy to install. There are some things which we have to take care at the time to install. So here again is require permission. I made it yes. Okay, I click on yes. And now MySQL installer 1.6 is installing. Here we can see we have a server only, client only, full and custom. So we will select the custom because we do not want everything here, and we will go to the next. So we will install three things from here. One is a MySQL server, and one is a workbench, and the cell. So here you can see my system actually the battery lost, that's why sometime. Yeah, so we will continue from here. So you can see here we have a MySQL server. Click on this, and here select and add this in the window. Next, click on the application where we will take this MySQL workbench and take it like this. And now we have a cell. Click on this and take this cell. Now this all three is there, and just click on this next, and it will be installed. Okay, and just click on the execute. So it is installing, and I think it will take some time, so I will pausing this video and I will resume after completing all the installation. As you can see, all three is completed. So first we install the MySQL server. That is our main server, database server, where we will keep the database. Connect all the thing connection, we will make it. We have a workbench. Workbench is used for the UI based. If you want to run command and anything, you just use here MySQL workbench, which is give you the GUI interface where you can do all the tasks. Third, we have a MySQL cell. It is providing you to write command line, and you can write this command to create database, update database, edit database, whatever you want to do from the workbench. Same thing you can do it from here also. So we will go to next. After clicking the configuration setting, MySQL Server 8, okay, next. And here you can see configure type TCP IP, and we have a 3306. This is the port, which is a very important port, because whenever we will run this MySQL and you required any API, that time this is very helpful to connect from the front end. So we will keep it like this, firewall open, and we do not have to add anything on this, and just we go to the next with default setting. You can see here using strong password encryption, we will keep like this and click on the next, and I will put some password here. So I think I will just simple password I will take for demo. Simple password I will take. Okay, it is a weak password. That's okay for the local now, but you just keep a strong password if you want to keep. If this is the for the root user, okay, which we are creating. So keep in mind whatever you are writing, it is required in some time. And we can create more user by clicking add user, and we can create multiple users here. Just click on the next. So here Windows server name MySQL at 0, start the MySQL server system startup, this we will do, and MySQL server and Windows service, that is okay, and standard system account custom user, that's it, okay. And then we will go to the next. Yes, grant all full permission to it running the Windows, so keep it like default only. Here we have a many uh, configuration which is running, so I will click on the execute, and it might take some time. So I will pause my system and I will resume again whenever this all is installed. Okay. So here you can see this all configuration is done. Now I click on the finish, and the MySQL server configuration completed. Click on the next, and start MySQL workbench after setup. Start MySQL cell is not required. We will keep like this and finish. So whenever our workbench is started, we have to do one more important task here. Simply just go there in the C drive, and in the C drive, in the C drive, just go to in the program, and in the program you just find it out MySQL, and in the MySQL you just go to the MySQL server, and here we just click on the bin, and we will copy this complete path. Okay. Now we will search environment variable, environment that is system environment variable. So we will just click on this edit system environment variable here, and here we have a setup recovery environment variable. Click on this environment variable, and this system variable is there. So click on the path, click on the edit, and click on the new, and paste whatever we copy, and click on the OK. Now make it OK, and then OK. Now, so the configuration is done, it is installed. You can see here we have a workbench, here local host with 3306. Click on this, and it will ask the password, whatever we put there, put the password, and OK. As you can see, we have a workbench here. We will run some script to check it simply. First we will create a database, select this and run the script. You can see the database created. Now we will create a that's showing the database. First is showing the database, whatever default database we have, information schema, MySQL, performance schema and system. Next query we will run to create a database. Simply select and click on this. So now this database is created. We can just again select this and show this. So our Geeky Sanjay is already created. Okay, now we have to do the use Geeky. So we are just checking out in the database. Okay, we are selecting the database. Now here we can create table. Okay, this line to be select the your database name. Okay, and here we just select this create table. Okay, there is two way, either you just use select data, either you just do directly user database dot table name. Okay, table name is username. So we will create one table in the database. Okay, and now we will just insert one record. We will select this. Okay, and I think yes. Now I will run this also. So it is done, and we will check this select user. You can see I have created one table and I inserted this. So now here you can see we successfully installed MySQL, and we made a configuration setting, and we just run some command in the MySQL. So today's topic only I just focus on this MySQL. I will create more videos for the others operating system also, so it will help you. Thank you very much for supporting and watching this video, and please keep subscribing, share in other groups and support me to go ahead. Thanks. Bye.